To translate web pages in Safari, first make sure translation is enabled in your settings. Go to Settings, then Safari, and ensure the Translate option is turned on. When you visit a page in a foreign language, a Translate button will appear in the address bar. It says Translate to your language. Tap it to translate the page instantly. Safari's translation is client-side, which means it processes on your device to protect your privacy. For a cleaner reading experience, use Reader Mode. Tap the book icon in the address bar to activate it, then use the Translate button. Reader Mode removes ads and clutter, simplifying the text and often improving translation accuracy. It's great for articles and blogs. For more advanced translation needs, or languages not natively supported by Safari, explore extensions available in the App Store. Popular translation extensions include Google Translate Extension and Microsoft Translator. These tools provide on-page translation with hover-over definitions, helping you understand foreign content more effectively. Remember to grant extensions the necessary permissions to access web content for proper functionality. Keep your iOS updated for the latest translation features and improvements. Use Wi-Fi for faster translations compared to cellular data. If translations seem slow, try clearing your Safari cache to improve performance. Adjust text size via Settings, Safari, Page Zoom for better readability after translation. By combining Safari's built-in tools, Reader Mode, and extensions, you can unlock a world of multilingual content on your iPhone.